Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essential tools and doing a quick visual survey. First, read any marking and identify the package. That narrows typical pinouts and helps avoid guesswork. Once done, remove the transistor from circuit when practical to prevent parallel paths, then set your multimeter to diode test. You will use the diode function immediately to probe junction behavior. This gives the fastest clue about base, emitter, and collector roles, and stops you from mislabeling pins early. Next, focus on specific measurements to map pins accurately. For bipolar transistors, place the positive probe on the suspected base and check for ~0. 50. 8V drops to the other two pins. Both should conduct in one polarity and not the reverse. For MOSFET, verify gate capacitance by short pulses and look for body diode conduction between drain and source. That identifies orientation. Make sure to flip probe polarity to confirm diode direction. Record each reading so you can label pins reliably. To finish, validate your pin identification by placing the transistor in a small test setup. Use a known resistor, an LED, or a bench supply with current limiting. Drive the base or gate and observe switching. This confirms both pin mapping and functionality under load. If behavior is wrong, make sure to remeasure with the component removed and inspect solder joints or traces. Troubleshoot by lifting one leg to isolate or swap in a known good transistor. That single step often pinpoints whether the device or circuit caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.